Hello, my name is Ruth, and I would like to help you learn new words in English. Join me next for Hello Word Power on Hello Channel. This is Hello Channel. Hello, I'm Ruth Todd. Welcome to Word Power. Today, we're learning words in English that begin with the letter M. M is a consonant. It makes this sound. Mm. Mm. You say it. Mm. Again. Mm. That's right. Are you ready to learn English words? Let's begin. Muscle. 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 You try it. Muscle. Yes, say it again. Muscle. One more time. Muscle. Well done. Your muscles are part of your body. They are the parts that produce movement and allow you to change position. Many people lift weights to strengthen their muscles. Say it one more time. Muscles. Yes, well done. Museum. 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 Repeat with me. Museum. Yes, again. Museum. One more time. Museum. Good job. A museum is a place where interesting objects of art, history, or science are displayed. The museum had ancient artifacts from an Indian tribe. Let's go visit the museum. Mushroom. 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 You try it. Again, mushroom. One more time. Mushroom. Correct. A mushroom is a small fungus, usually shaped like an umbrella. Many mushrooms can be eaten, but be careful. Some types are poisonous. Mushroom. Music. 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 You say it. Music. Yes, again. Music. One more time. Music. Well done. That's correct. Music is a pleasant arrangement of sounds, such as a song. The people sat and enjoyed music at the beautiful concert. Music. Must. 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 Now you try it. Must. Again, must. Correct. Must has a few different meanings. Must means when you absolutely have to do something. She must get home before the rain starts. Must also means to be forced or required to do something. People must drink water if they want to survive. Must. Mustard. 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 Now you try it. Mustard. Again, mustard. That's correct. Mustard is a spicy sauce or paste made from the pungent seeds of the mustard plant. It also comes in a powder form. People often enjoy mustard on sandwiches or other foods. Mustard. Mute. 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 Now you say it. Mute. Again, mute. Repeat. Mute. Correct. Mute means to be silent or unable to speak. The girl was so surprised she couldn't say a word. She was mute. Please put the television on the mute setting so I can hear while I'm on my phone call. Mute. Mutual. 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 You try it. Mutual. Again, mutual. One more time. Mutual. Yes, good job. Mutual is something that is shared. They went to dinner with their mutual friends. Mutual. Myself. Myself. Say it with me. Myself. Again, myself. Well done. Myself means having to do with me and no one else. I fell on my bike and hurt myself. Myself. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Well, why don't we just say hello?
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Macaroni. Mac-a-ro-ni. Macaroni. You try it. Macaroni. Again, macaroni. One more time. Macaroni. Yes, that's correct. Well done. Macaroni is a type of pasta shaped in small tubes. Macaroni is usually boiled in hot water and served with sauce or cheese on top. Max's favorite dinner is macaroni and cheese. Say it one more time. Macaroni. Correct. Well done. Mammal. 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 Now you say it. Mammal. Again. Mammal. One more time. Mammal. Correct. A mammal is a warm-blooded animal that has hair or fur. Female mammals also have mammary glands, which secrete milk for the nourishment of young offspring. Dogs are mammals that nurse their puppies with milk from the mother dogs. Say it again. Mammal. Correct. Metal. 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 Now you say it. Metal. One more time. Metal. Yes, that's right. Metal. Metal is a solid material that is usually shiny, hard, and can conduct electricity easily. Gold, silver, iron, copper, and aluminum are all types of metal. Gold is the most valuable of all the metals. Say it again. Metal. Yes, that's right. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power. Hello. That's right, I said hello. I'm talking about an exciting new television channel that will change your life. My name is Ruth, and I want you to be one of the first to know about Hello Channel. Hello Channel is designed to teach you to speak English. Anyone can learn. We offer something for everyone. You'll see programming for children, teenagers, and adults, all on different levels. With Hello Channel, you'll hear, see, read, and speak English as you're watching entertaining television programs, making it easy to learn. If you've always wanted to learn English but haven't had a chance, Hello Channel is perfect for you. Start today, and remember, for a brighter future, just say hello. Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Molar. 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 You try it. Molar. Again, molar. Once more. Molar. Yes, that's right. A molar is a grinding tooth. A molar is at the back of the mouth in most mammals. Chewing on hard, stiff candy is bad for your molars. Say it again. Molar. Correct. Monster. Mon-ster. Monster. You try it. Monster. Yes, again. Monster. One more time. Monster. That's right. Well done. A monster is an imaginary creature that is typically large, ugly, and frightening. Shelby had a nightmare about a big black monster. Monster can also be used to describe an inhumanely cruel or unkind person. That mean man is often called a thoughtless monster. Say it again. Monster. Correct. More. 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 You say it. More. Yes, again. More. Once more. More. That's right. More means additional or extra than the original amount. The hungry boy came back for more food. I like you to repeat words one more time. Sam needs more time to finish his homework. Say it again. More. Yes, that's right. Most. 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 Now you say it. Most. Yes, again. Most. Once more. Most. That's right. Most means the greatest amount. Most means more than everyone or everything else. The winning team scored the most points. Sarah saved the most money of her entire family. Say it again. Most. Correct. Well done. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.